Okay, here is a quick video on the pronoun E, which is the letter Y, in French. So it is said E, like the long E sound in English. And E basically means there. So it is a pronoun. You can see my video on direct object pronouns. So basically, it's going to replace a place or something that would use there to say like, oh yeah, it's there, or the shoe, or the shoe is there on the couch, or the mall. Oh, I'm going there this evening. So that is what the pronoun E is used for. By the way, there's a really famous phrase. If you've been studying French, you have probably learned this phrase, il y a, which, if you have seen that, you know that means there is or there are. So this E is the there in that phrase of there is or there are. Okay, so here I'm going to explain to you real quick how the pronoun E works. So you basically need to take out a place. And really, you need to take out the preposition before it too. So it's really a prepositional phrase you're taking out. And then you're going to use there in its place. So, je vais au parc. I'm going to the park. So there's no point in me keeping the to the. If I'm saying I'm going there, I'm going to the there. There's no point in leaving that. So that's why you have to remove the preposition as well as the place or a prepositional phrase. And to the park is going to get replaced with there, or in French, E. So what that would look like, the E has to go before the verb. There's one verb in the sentence, so it goes before. And so with je, it has to make a contraction if it can, and it does with a Y. So you're actually going to say j'y vais. So the je and the E join together in a contraction, and it becomes j'y vais. I'm going there. All right, the next one. Il va à la piscine. He's going to the pool. So to, the, and pool is all the place. It's the prepositional phrase. That's getting replaced with there. So I have to put my E before the verb. So I'll give you a sec to think about it. How could I say he is going there? Give you a sec to think. And hopefully you thought of il y va. He's going there. All right, next one. Nous allons au magasin. We're going to the stores. So to the stores is the place, and the to the, it's the prepositional phrase there, to the stores. That's coming out, and we're going to say, oh yeah, we're going there. So think about it for a sec. To say we're going there is nous y allons. We're going there. And so common phrases that you will replace, you'll remove to use E, is a place that starts with O. I'm trying to highlight here. O, or a la, or O, because all of these mean to the. They're all contractions with a. And I do have a video on that on my YouTube channel if you need to check that out. Chez basically means at the place of. So like chez Bob would basically mean at Bob's house. So that's another place. On, because we use that with places like France, en France, like in France. They do things, whatever there. Dans, another preposition, in. So dans la piscine, in the pool. So do you see the floaty or the toy in the pool? Yes, I see it there. Devant, which means in front of. Again, it's a preposition in front of the fridge. Devant le frigo. Like I see it there, something like that. Derrière, meaning behind. Derrière le sofa, behind the sofa. So something is there. Sous, which is under. Sous la chaise, under the chair. So Le chat est, the cat is there. I took out sous la chaise and I put there. And then sur is on, like on top. So like sur la table. So like my notebook is on the table. Mon cahier est sur la table. Or I could say mon cahier y est. My cahier is there. And I forgot one more thing. But if you're going to say something with two verbs. So for example, like je vais aller à la plage. Plage. That's an L and then an A. I'm going to go to the beach. Je vais aller à la plage. So what needs to come out of the sentence? À la plage, to the beach. I'm going to use E in its place. And if there's two verbs, I put it, two verbs, je vais aller, I put it in between them. So I would say, je vais y aller. I'm going to go there. Je vais y aller. So hopefully that helped you learn the pronoun y.